Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about HTML images. Okay, so we have to use that IMG, that is the image tag, and it has several attributes like SRC, which is the source, but this is the attributes. Okay, then alt means alternative text. That is also one of the attributes. Then width, then height, all these are nothing but the attributes of image tag. Okay, so basically the meaning of the first attributes is nothing but you write your image name with the extension. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing is alternative text. Suppose that image, okay, and your this HTML file both are not in the same folder somewhere else. That is one of the thing. Second, here we have written download, but the image name is download one. Okay, so something is wrong. So if something is wrong, it will not display that image, but instead of that, it will print this alternative text. Okay, and then if you want, you can specify width and height. It is totally on you and it is optional. So Control S. Okay, and I think this is the output of our previous code. Okay, so we'll quickly just click on this refresh button. Yeah, so we are getting h2 heading HTML image, and we are getting image also, because you all can see here at desktop you will find this download image. Suppose if I remove this, instead of that if I write down only. Okay, so Control S, and let me just refresh this. Okay, see, I'm not getting any image, but I'm getting alternative text, which is nothing but what? Mountains. Okay, and if you want, then you can change also width and height. For example, you want height 200 or something, and we'll just write the name of that image again. That is the download. Control S. Okay, and refresh. See, we are getting that image again. So that is all about the HTML image, how to display and its attributes also. Later on, like in advanced version, we'll talk about image mapping, background image, picture element, because there are so many things related to image. Like if you have image, like a clickable image, if I click on that image, it should redirect me somewhere else also. Right now, this is just the basic how to display any image. Okay, thank you everyone.